Hey guys, as you can tell from the title, this video is how I make my banana pudding. If you're interested on how I made this banana pudding, keep watching. So you're going to need sweetened condensed milk, vanilla extract, Cool Whip, vanilla pudding mix, lorna doon cookies, bananas, milk, and softened cream cheese. So having a blender is optional. I'm just going to fluff up the cream cheese before putting in the rest of the ingredients. We're going to pour in the sweetened condensed milk, 4 packets of the vanilla pudding, 3 cups of milk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and now we're going to combine all those ingredients together. So this is how thick it looked after I combined the ingredients. I think it's because I added 4 packets of the vanilla pudding. I will recommend to only add 2. Now I'm going to fold in the Cool Whip. So this is how it looked after I added in 3 additional cups of milk. So I picked up this pan from Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to start off by lining the bottom of the pan with the cookies. I went ahead and cut up some bananas and placed them right on top of the cookies. Now we're going to take half of the filling and pour it on top of the bananas and cookies. And now we're just going to repeat the same steps. Now we're going to pour the remaining of the filling on top and then smooth it out. Now this is the finished product. If you like this video, make sure you hit the like button and comment down below what you want to see next. Bye guys!